Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between on the left, Interactive Brokers, and on the right, Charles Schwab. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is, I won't tell you which platform is better. I will tell you, on 5 different topics that I wrote down right here on my screen, which platform is better for you to use. So which one will fit you the best? Because both platforms can be useful, but they are made for different types of investors. One platform is more focused on professional and global trading, while the other is more focused on long-term investing, research, banking, and wealth management. So let's start right here with the main focus on Interactive Brokers. The main focus on Interactive Brokers is that Interactive Brokers is a global investing and professional trading platform. Charles Schwab is a full-service investing, banking, and brokerage. So, in simple words, Interactive Brokers is more focused on giving active traders and global investors access to many markets and advanced tools. Charles Schwab is more focused on giving investors a complete financial platform where they can invest, research, plan for retirement, and manage money in one place. If you look to the best for, Interactive Brokers is the best for advanced traders and global investors, and Charles Schwab is the best for long-term investors and wealth management clients. So if you are someone who wants global market access, advanced order types, and lower trading costs, Interactive Brokers can be a strong fit. But if you are more focused on long-term investing, retirement planning, portfolio building, or a more complete investing and banking experience, Charles Schwab may fit you better. If you look to the trading tools, Interactive Brokers has stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, plus global markets. And Charles Schwab has stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, and strong research tools. This means Interactive Brokers gives you more access to advanced trading products and international markets. Charles Schwab gives you the main tools many long-term investors need, especially if you want stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, and detailed research to help you make better investment decisions. If you look to the interface on Interactive Brokers is powerful. Professional-grade platform can be complex. So when you're a complete beginner, sometimes it's a little bit hard. And Charles Schwab is easy-to-use platform with strong all-round features. So when you're a little bit more beginner, I recommend you to use Charles Schwab. Interactive Brokers can take more time to learn because it has more professional tools and settings. Charles Schwab feels more beginner-friendly because the platform is easier to navigate and it gives you a better all-round experience. If you want investing, research, and account management in one place. If you look to the fees and trading cost, Interactive Brokers has very low commissions with tiered pricing, best for active and global trading. And Charles Schwab is a commission-free stocks and ETF. Plus, they have option contracts, and some services may have fees. And keep in mind, sometimes they are charging you in the spreads, so that's also very important to know. So always look beyond the word commission-free. Even when stock and ETF trades are commission-free, you should still check spreads, options contract fees, margin costs, and any account or service fees that may apply. So if you ask me, choose Interactive Brokers if you want a very low trading cost, global market access, and a professional platform for active or international trading. This is a good option if you trade often, want access to markets outside your home country, or need advanced tools for a more serious trading strategy. And choose Charles Schwab if you want a simple, reliable, all-in-one investing platform with strong research tools, retirement accounts, and banking features. This is a good option if you want to invest for the long term, manage retirement accounts, use research tools, and keep your investing experience more simple and organized.